Welcome to Spanish Home. Today we're going to learn 10 animals in Spanish. On the screen, you'll see how to spell the words and hear how to pronounce them. Remember to repeat each word out loud after hearing it to learn it better. Let's go.
Repeat after me. Pato. 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 Tiburón. 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 Guacamaya. 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 Estrella de mar. Estrella de mar. Estrella de mar. Canguro. 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 Serpiente. Serpiente. Serpiente.
Great work, we only have 4 words left. Before continuing, please don't forget to subscribe. Please. Let's continue.
Hormiga. 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 Oso. 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 Tigre. 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 Ardilla. Ardilla. Ardilla.
Great job. If you want to speak Spanish, hit that subscribe button right now. On this channel, you'll find playlists full of useful vocabulary, plus weekly videos and shorts with must-know Spanish words and expressions. Subscribe so you don't miss a thing. If you liked this video, give it a like and share it with a friend. Have an amazing day, thanks for watching and God bless you.